See, comparative study for the MFR and PFR. Okay, comparative study for the MFR and PFR. For n is greater than 1 means positive order reaction means greater than 0 order reaction. Okay, for equivalent volume of the MFR and PFR, V MFR is equals to V PFR, that equivalent volume of MFR and PFR, that means V MFR is equals to V PFR. That means conversion of MFR always less than conversion of PFR. Why it will be less? As the MFR always give react in the negative order reaction, always favors the negative order reaction. MFR and PFR, overall area of MFR will be greater than overall area of PFR. As the equivalent conversion of MFR and PFR, XA MFR is equals to XA PFR, conversion equal. So greater equal conversion means volume of the MFR will be greater than volume of the PFR. That means tau M is greater than tau P. Time will be greater in the MFR. So n is equals to 0, when n is equals to 0 means zeroth order reaction. That means there for equivalent volume of PFR and MFR, that means equals to VMFR is equals to VPFR, that means XMFR is equals to XPFR. For equivalent conversion of MFR and PFR, for n is equals to 0, XAMFR is equals to XAPFR, VMFR is equals to VPFR. That means VM is equals to VP implies XAM equal to XAP, that is for n is equals to 0. For n is equals to 0, when n is equals to 0, VM is equals to VP, that implies XM is equals to XAP. For n is less than 1, n is less than 1 means negative order reaction. For equivalent volume of PFR and MFR, VMFR is equals to VPFR, that means XMFR is greater than XAPFR. XAPFR means MFR will be greater, MFR will give the more conversion than PFR conversion. Okay, for equivalent conversion of MFR and PFR, XMFR is equals to XPFR, that means volume of MFR will be greater than volume of PFR, that means tau of M will be greater than tau of P. So MFR gives less conversion when positive order reaction, and MFR gives more conversion in the negative order reaction. MFR is favorable for negative order, PFR is favorable for the positive order reaction. And when n will be greater than 0, then the two part come for the equivalent conversion, and for the equivalent volume of the reaction, VM is equals to VP, XM implies equal to XP.